Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your EARFUN Air Pro 4 keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend to disable dual connection, so we need to open EARFUN audio app. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the application and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then scroll down. And right here in accessibility we have dual device connection. Tap at this line and disable this mode, because with this mode you may have connection instability. After you disable it, check is it didn't fixed. Also I recommend it in the application. You need to find Bluetooth audio quality, I guess this line called like this. Enter here, it's only available for Android devices. I have iOS and right here I have no information about it. And disable DAC. So you can select aptX codec, or you can also disable aptX codec. You can also use developer options to swap between codec, and you can, let's say, select AAC codec and check is it fix your problem. If it doesn't, let's do a software set. To perform a software set, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. After that, you just open the case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Then also check is it fixed. Next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Inside the case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until you will see the LED light flashing 3 times. Here we go, now you can release your finger and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. And now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair and Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to only go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to print mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. And we have connection. Now check. If the factory reset didn't help you, also I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once we did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path. Now on your iPhone you need to open settings and then go to the general settings. So click at the general line. Then scroll down, and right here at the bottom we have Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click Reset. In this window you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth settings and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So let's do this. Now write your password. What? Okay. And click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings. And then we need to go to the System. So scroll down, System, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have Reset Options. Tap at this line. In this window, you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!